Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chiku Kids. Let's learn some colors and shapes. We first learn colors. Orange, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, dark green color, blue color, dark blue color, cyan color, pink color, dark pink color, purple color, black color, brown color. Wow, there's many colors. Wow. Let's learn some shapes and color some shapes. Let's start. Octagon shape, red color. Octagon shape, red color. Trapezoid shape, orange color. Rectangle shape, yellow color. Heart shape, green color. Star shape, blue color. Crescent shape, pink color. Triangle shape, purple color. Triangle shape, pink color. Dark pink color. Kids, we learn shapes. Octagon, red color. Trapezoid, orange color. Rectangle, yellow color. Heart, green color. Star, blue color. Crescent, pink color. Triangle, dark pink color. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye guys.